Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. And I actually got this in my April 2021 Boxycharm base box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products I got. I'm excited to try this out because I love a body shimmer. Of course, as you can tell today, it's cold, so I'm not showing skin. But when I do, I love to mix in like a liquid highlighter into body lotion to apply to the shoulders, or just apply a liquid highlighter, a body glow illuminator maybe, to the shoulders, the neck. So I feel like this came at a good time, coming in hopefully as the weather is warming up. And so here's how it looks. It looks so pretty. I really like the packaging and it's big. This is 1 fluid ounce. It is kind of expensive though. It retails for $38. And I have it in the shade Champagne Rich. And when I was looking this up online, I saw that it comes in 3 shades. So there's also a bronze one and a gold version. It says it's a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas of the face and body for a dazzling, buildable glow. It's transfer proof, filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. So I definitely want to try this out as my face highlighter, but I also want to try it out to see how it'll look on the body. So first, why don't I do a little swatch kind of. Ooh, I really like the pump to this. It has like a spring to it. But okay, just put a little bit here and let's see how it looks. Just blend it out on bare skin. And wow, it's different than kind of what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be like a liquid highlighter, but it really is, like it says, an oil. So it seems to be really moisturizing and it has sheen. I don't think it smells like anything, but it almost has more glow from shine than from sparkle. And I was definitely expecting it to be more shimmery. So it's pretty and it definitely gives a really nice radiance to the skin. But I had actually grabbed a little lotion because I wanted to see how this would look mixed in with lotion. But since it really doesn't have any sparkle, shimmer, just sheen, it wouldn't actually be something that I would mix in with lotion. It really does look great on the skin. Hopefully you can see kind of how it catches the light. I'll show you the difference in my hands. Like this one looks just so much better, like healthier, shiny. It says it's buildable, so let's see how it builds. Put a little bit more. I do think that a little goes a long way though. Because of that oily texture, it's very spreadable, blendable. Wow, I was not expecting it to be so moisturizing for the dry skin. So that is such an added bonus. But yeah, I feel like as I add more, it does build up to be even more glowy, shiny, but it's not looking any more sparkly. It's a really interesting product, the way it can make the skin look so gleaming and glistening without shimmer sparkle. But I actually prefer this type of glow. I prefer more of that shine, radiance than a streak of sparkle glitter. So wow, I might have found my perfect glow product. Now trying to show you an up close view, it just looks amazing on the skin. Wow, I can't wait to put this onto like my neck, chest, and shoulders. And because you don't really detect shimmer sparkle to it, it kind of gives off this natural look. Like, this is just how glowy my skin naturally is, right? Like, there's no sparkle, no product on here giving the glow. I mean, that's the illusion that it gives. Like, wow. I love this. This is how I want my hand to always look. I'm looking at my bare hand and I'm like, ooh, that looks dry and dull. This one, so radiant. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay, now let's go on to trying this on the face. I'm a little worried that it's going to remove the foundation because of this oily formula, but let's find out. I'm just gonna apply it onto the high points of my cheeks. Yeah, you definitely only need a little bit. And it looks really pretty, dewy, glowy, but it does seem to be slightly lifting my foundation because now I feel like I can see more of the redness in my cheeks peeking through. And I do feel like it's kind of emphasizing the texture of my large pores, but it looks so pretty still. It really gives that glass skin effect because it's so shiny and glistening, almost to the point where it kind of looks like it could borderline looking greasy shiny. I still really like it. Look at that difference with it versus without it. I have some on my finger still, so I'll just go ahead and apply it to the other cheek. I don't see myself using this as my highlighter on top of foundation, just because of the texture and how it's removing the foundation. But it is really pretty. Like, if you don't wear foundation, I think this could look great as a natural, dewy type of highlighter. But for me and the type of makeup I like to wear, I think that I will probably stick to using this more for the body. And that is what it's called, Body Glow Illuminator. And I just think it works so beautifully for giving that body glow that that's going to be my use for it. It does leave that oily feel on the skin. I'm kind of confused because it says transfer proof, but there is a ton of transfer coming off because it's not like a dry oil. It didn't dry down. So the oil is easily just coming off. So that's something to keep in mind. Like, it could get onto clothing. I feel like if you're wearing like a nice silk blouse or something, you wouldn't want to wear this because it would get onto the fabric. But for just, you know, wearing like the shoulder, something that isn't going to be touching your clothing or like the bare skin, I think it would be really pretty. So all in all, I like this. I don't think I need to spend $38 on it. Like, it didn't impress me that much. To me, $38 is expensive. I can get this similar type of look from less expensive products, but since I do have this, I am excited to wear it on the body. But I definitely want to know in the comments down below, if you have tried this out, what are your favorite uses for it? And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.